Right? What was one trending characteristic you saw amongst the women that really thrived throughout this pandemic?
I would say that women that thrive through this pandemic, first of all, a woman that really feel like to get it done. You have to have that passion and belief in yourself that you will get it done. Mm-hmm. Now, there are challenges that the pandemic gave, and I think particularly when you think of parents, because people were home, children were home, and you had to mind your children plus do your work. So I think people who were able to look at that, look at the technology, look at how can I do things, or how can I become more savvy in what I am doing, and reaching out. I think a big part of it is, we tend to take all our problems to ourselves, but it's so nice when you could just talk to somebody who could open your mind to other ways of doing it. But what I would also say, a lot also has to do with the work environment. So when the pandemic happened, the next day I was totally virtual because we were already looking at work from home policies. So when we went live the next day, we only had 2 people who did not have the relevant internet connection. So we hotspot them. So the next day, everybody was working from home. And all I simply did was consign furniture. You want a chair, you want a this, but everybody has computers. Because I didn't want to be hassled about what I'm selling, just take what you want. But I also, because in my environment, it's chargeable hours, if I don't have hours to charge, I can't make money. So everybody's different, but that's my stock in trade. And one of the things I found in that is, say to my people, you have to account for 7.5 hours in the day, right? It's chargeable. I really don't care whether you do it before your child in school, whether you could do somewhere in school, or when you do it after. I really don't care. If I call you and I hear something in the background say, are you in school with your child? I said, why did you answer the phone? You could have sent me a WhatsApp, said, Mrs. Lee Loy, I'm in school with my child, right? So, call me when you can. And the fact is also about they have to have support. So what's good for you have to be good for them. Because I know if it was me, I'm in school with my child. I'm not sure I want to talk to my boss about nothing as much as I may love you or hate you, as the case might be. So I think, so it's a really bit about, but the thing is, you also have to have the confidence your team can do it. If you don't have confidence in your people and you do not empower them, it's not going to happen as you would like it. So I would say that has been the thing in terms of people having the belief that they can do it, looking at the technology to help them do it, because technology has been a fabulous support in this whole thing. Mm-hmm. It has just all made us think differently as to what we could do and what we couldn't do.
I think at this point everybody wants to come and work for you.
It's hard to get in there.
All right. So